Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download offline maps on your AMAZFIT Active Max. So first, what we want to do is we want to open up the Zepp app that we use to set up our watch. Now here we want to go over to Device, and now we need to scroll down until we see the device application settings. Here we want to click on app management, and here, as you guys can see, we can download the part of the map. So let's put it like that for an example, and here we can see the base map, ski map, or contour map. Here we can, let's say, select the base map, but I'll use all three options. Now let's download. It's 20 megabytes, and as you guys can see, it's downloading. So all we have to do now is wait for this slider to go all the way to the right so that we know that it's downloaded. So I'll see you guys in a second once the download is done. Now the map is downloaded successfully, as you guys can see, and basically our watch is connected to the Wi-Fi. We got the map. This part of the map is installed. If we want to move it somewhere else, then of course we can do that. Now we can scan this terrain, we can download it, and we can repeat the process. So we can here also enter a city or a region that we are interested in, and that's basically it. Now whenever we start our workout, we will see that our map is downloaded. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.